Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's webinar. We don't have any attendees at this moment. Today's topic will be ANSYS Cloud. Before we start the webinar, just a little bit introduction to our company. We are Ozen Engineering. We are a ANSYS channel partner. Um, we sell ANSYS products. We use physics-based simulation to solve multidisciplinary engineering problems using industry-leading CAE technology. We're a simulation-driven product developer. We're a consulting company at the same time. We are also proud to introduce ourselves as the channel partner of the year for 2018. As we said, we sell ANSYS. ANSYS has multiple different products to realize your engineering work. It has recently ANSYS has included optics in the portfolio. We also provide cloud solution, Ozen Cloud and ANSYS Cloud, which is also the topic of the day. We have a series of webinars listed. Upcoming next will be 2 weeks away. We also have a webinar library available on our website that if you are interested, you can browse through it. Let's get into the topic today. So today we're trying to introduce you with ANSYS Cloud. First, I'll show a quick demonstration on the cloud, and follow up by a live demo. ANSYS Cloud was recently introduced in release 2019 R1. As you see on this live demo, it is built in the software. You don't have to manually transfer data. Everything will do it for yourself. After the simulation is done, the results will be sent to you, and you can do post-processing. As you can see, you can do post-processing on the cloud portal as well as on your phone. Through the cloud portal, you'll be able to manage your files, as you can see. You can do various different post-processing through ANSYS Cloud. You can also download the results from the cloud simulation and post-process it on your local machine. As you can see, it's an easy cloud job submission. So it's really as easy as it can be. Here are some of the testimonials that the customers say about ANSYS Cloud. It's intuitive to use and integrates seamlessly into the FLUENT workflow. Um, it provides an easy-to-use option for quick access to cloud HPC directly from within ANSYS applications, so on and so forth. Uh, as of now, the cloud has several data center locations that you can submit your jobs to. Here we are in the West U.S. region, so that will normally be our be the location that we submit our job to. It is also available in other regions throughout the world. Um, the mechanism of this cloud is really as a pay for what you use on the ANSYS cloud. It's uh, it comes with ANSYS cloud service fee plus ANSYS elastic units. What it comes with is 1 terabyte cloud storage, 1 terabyte per month outbound data transfer. Also comes with 3D remote visualization. Um, of course, it's 24/7 support for running jobs. Um, as we said, you can monitor your jobs through monitor, control, and analyze your job through the cloud portal. So we count uh, we categorize the jobs into 3 categories: small, medium, and large. Depending on the size of your job, you can it will take different. It will cost you a different amount of ANSYS elastic units or AEU, if you will. Uh, every customer is is entitled to a free trial, 30-day up to 1,000 elastic units, 3 engineerings per account. It includes, of course, all ANSYS Cloud features, and feel free to sign up here at this link down at this link down here. Um, okay. Now, just I see some of the attendees just recently joined. In case you missed the live demo, I would like to show you another hands-on demo on my own screen, just to give you a feel of what ANSYS Cloud feels like. Right now, I have a 2019 R1 project open up. It's a steady state thermal. Um, it's a steady state thermal analysis. So when we let's when we open up our project, it's a very very simple setup. I have a box uh, with 2 sides of temperature uh, defined. On one side, the temperature is 22 Celsius, degrees Celsius. On the bottom side, it's 100 degrees Celsius. We're just trying to do a heat transfer analysis on that. So when everything is set up, we simply click this ANSYS Cloud uh, wizard here. It will open up. Right now, I'm already signed in with the account. If you're not signed in at the time when you click on this, it will ask you for your sign-in log credential. Just a little uh, bit explanation on these icons. These you want to make sure these two have the green lights on it. This button will leads you to the cloud forum where will be engineers and other customers share their um, knowledge, questions, and concerns. You will find a lot of useful information on the forum. This one will lead you to your cloud portal. Um, let's take a look at the cloud portal just real quick. We'll ask you to sign in. So as you can see, it will gives you number of elastic units you have, storage space you have, and concurrent jobs that you have, and it will also allow you to monitor the jobs that you have submitted in right now in the past. Another my jobs my jobs tab gives you the GUI for all the jobs that you submitted. You can manage the jobs over there. My files helps you to manage the project files that you submitted. Downloads gives you two options here to download the cloud installation package. You can install it through a very quick and easy cloud wizard. Um, in case the cloud wizard doesn't go doesn't go well as it expected, you can always install it through extension mode. And there's a little bit set up to it, not very trivial, but ANSYS Cloud and ANSYS support group are always there to help you with. Of course, Ozen engineering is always here there to help you with that. And some analytics to give you just some data on the cloud on the cloud platform you have. So once that's just about it for the cloud wizard. So now we're ready to submit a job. Let's just name it as cloud test, and then um, usually it will automatically recognize what kind of analyses you're trying to submit. In this case, we're trying to submit a steady state thermal analysis. It recognizes it. The region we choose West US. Um, configuration. This determines the simulation size that I mentioned earlier. There are three categories: small, medium, large. The small, as it indicates, it's 12 cores, one node. It takes 13 AUs per hour. The medium uses 36 cores, takes up 18 AUs per hour, and the large will use up to 96 cores, 8 nodes, and costs you 25 AUs per hour. So this one is a really simple one. We'll just click small, um, and we do want to download the results after the completion. There's also some advanced options for you to choose from. Um, we'll just leave it as is for now. When everything is ready to go, we can submit the jobs. Um, so as you can see, you're monitoring a job as it goes. We can see the cloud test run is running. It tells you to steady state thermal analysis. As you can see, my email gives you um, gives me a pop-up message saying that the job is submitted. As you can see here, my email is telling me there's an email sending there's a message sending to my email box telling me the job has started. You can view your job here, which will lead you to the cloud portal. And you can monitor through the portal. Um, in case you missed the earlier live demo on the PowerPoint, you are also able to monitor jobs through your phone, um, through your phone apps. Uh, one setback of this is that uh, it does take a little bit while to set up your problem on a cloud platform. Even though as simple as this case is, usually it takes about like 5-10 seconds to solve the problem. It still takes about a couple minutes for you to set up for the cloud to set it up. So we won't recommend you to waste your resources um, by sending a very simple job onto the cloud. We're only doing this demo for the demo purposes, um, but we are not recommending you to use cloud as every time you submit a job. So again, while we're waiting on a job to be completed, feel free to reach out to us. Uh, we're happy to help you. Our salesperson are happy to help you to set up a free trial for the cloud for ANSYS Cloud. Um, as I said earlier, we have a series of webinar coming up every 2 weeks. You can visit, you can see the schedule by visiting our website. The link is down here, and also there's various past webinars in our webinar library available on our website. Okay, since the job is still running at this moment. Um, so it will be the same manner to submit a job on the FLUENT site, um, as if for now we're still waiting to for a go on whether the EBU products are available. It should be available by the end of this month. Um, Also, we just had another release of a new release of the whole portfolio, which is ANSYS 2019 R2. Um, the cloud is also available on R2, but we do hear from the customer that there's still some work to be done behind the scene. So if you are interested in a trial or trying to use cloud at this moment, we recommend you to use the R1 version instead of the R2. Um, yep. And as we can see on the portal, it tells me that there's one job that's running and where our cloud test is running. Once once this is done, you will be able to download the results to your local machine, and you can post process it um, as usual. So I feel like it might take a little bit more to. Oh, okay. So so as you know, it's a cloud platform, so it takes time for the file to be transferred. So as I've mentioned and emphasized over and over again, for a simple job like this, do not submit your job. But if you have a large job and you do not have the resources, um, the physical resources or computation resources, try cloud, ANSYS Cloud platform. It is worth it. If you have any questions at this moment, feel free to open your mic or put your question in the chat or in the question section. Okay. So the job is completed. Okay. So now ready. It's ready. We can post that in. We can post process it in cloud. So this can also be done on your phone. So let's create a temperature contour. As you remember, I defined the upper side as 25 Celsius degree. Um, the lower would be, well, actually, it was, sorry, it was 22. So, yep, it was 22, and then the lower bound is 100. That makes perfect sense. Um, and of course, you can download these results to your local machine and post processing the mechanical as well. Um, okay, that'll be all for today. We'll probably have another similar webinar uh, when when the cloud is available on the electronic business units as well. We'll try to give you a more comprehensive demo at the next time. Thanks for joining, everybody. Um, Goodbye. Oh, we have a question here. Oh, okay. So the question is, where to download and how to install it. Will it automatically appear in the workbench? The answer, there's two questions to this. Let's I'll answer that. So first, what you will do is sign up for a cloud trial. Um, once you will send up that use your email address. Once you sign up, you'll be able to log into this cloud portal. Um, on the cloud portal, there's the download section where you can download the installation package, and after install, um, it will automatic and yes, it will automatically appear in the workbench. Once you um, it does not show up on workbench. Uh, it does not show up in workbench, but once you open up an analysis like mechanical or fluent, it will show up as a wizard. So you can it will show up as a wizard on the top of your menu bar. Click on it, the wizard will show up, and you can set up a new job or yep, and that'll be it. Okay. Um, any any more questions or concerns or comments? And yeah, of course, if you have any other inquiries, feel free to reach out to us using using um, sending to info@ozeninc.com or support@ozeninc.com. Okay. Thanks everybody for attending this webinar today. Have a nice rest of the day.